Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you some Christmas tags I made. I'm happy to rejoin in on Crafting Rose's Christmas tag collab that is posted on the 25th of each month. And for my first month back, I made some tags using bits and pieces of different things that I've had in my stash. I just put them on this backing paper just for display purposes, but I had a package of these metal rim bell-shaped tags, and I also had a package, I think it came from a card kit, I'm not sure, of these little green and red flowers that were separate, so I layered them together. The kit also came with some rhinestones that I put in the center. And then these little pieces, the front sides are green, turn them over, and the back sides are white. These are leftover pieces from a paper pumpkin kit. And I just save all those fun little extra things and hopefully use them in a project someday, which I did with this. Now the tags already came on string. I might replace it with something a little bit nicer looking, but for now they serve the purpose of holding these in place. When you turn the tag over, these little circle tags are also left over from a paper pumpkin kit. I could not locate my teeny tiny to from stamp at the time that I made these and got them ready to record, so I'll either write to from by hand, or hopefully I'll find that stamp sooner rather than later. But I had 5 of these metal rim bell-shaped tags, so I thought I'll make five little Christmas gift tags to share in this video. I'd like to thank you for joining me. Down below I'll leave a link to all the others that are participating in this collab, and I hope you check them out and get some inspiration. And now I'm off to create.